In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to AWeber email. Adding your logo to an email is a small step that makes a big difference. It anchors your brand, builds recognition, and sets a professional tone from the very first glance. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can do it confidently in just a moment. Start inside the AWeber email editor with the message you're working on open. On the left side of the editor, you'll see a panel filled with different content blocks. Look for the one labeled Logo. This block is specifically designed to place your brand mark without any extra fuss, so you don't need to stack images or wrestle with formatting. When you've found the logo block, click it and drag it into your email layout. Place it exactly where you want it to appear. Most people position a logo near the top of the message to act like a header and set the brand tone right away, but you might prefer it in a sidebar or at the bottom as a subtle signature. Pay attention to spacing and alignment in your layout so the logo doesn't crowd your headline or call to action. A little breathing room helps the design look clean and intentional, and it also improves readability on mobile devices. Once the block is where you want it, release the mouse. Then click on the block itself to activate it. You'll see options for adding your image. From here, you can upload your logo file from your computer or choose an existing one from your image library if you've uploaded it before. For best results, use a clear, high-quality image. PNG files with a transparent background usually look great on both light and dark sections. Keep the file size reasonable so your email loads quickly for subscribers, especially on mobile networks. After you select your logo, it will appear right inside the block. Take a look at how it sits with the surrounding content. Consistency is key, so try to use the same version of your logo across your campaigns to build familiarity. If you maintain a brand kit, make sure the logo you use aligns with your standard colors and proportions. And that's it. You've added your logo to your AWeber email. To recap, you found the logo block on the left panel, dragged it into place, clicked the block, and then uploaded or selected your logo. With your brand now front and center, you're ready to continue designing the rest of your email with a strong, cohesive look.